What is up, guys? Today we're going to do a market recap. I personally took no trades today, but there was two trades I'm watching. One, as you can see on the screen right now, I was just analyzing price action. I mean, this is ES, for example, and I mean, as you see, we chop, 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 come up. This could be your manipulation move to then take these lows right here. You see that? And then we slowly just start to work up, keep working up, and we do eventually get an imbalance. And once like I'm waiting for displacement out of a range, like either a displacement through this low to then go down, or a displacement through a high to then go higher. And we do get displacement through a high with a 5-minute fair value gap. So then I zoom in and I didn't take this as just like a tape read, just like testing my models and stuff like that. And it's probably gonna hit in this next minute or so. But it's pretty simple. I mean, this is the clear draw. Like, where is the pressure? Like, you can see this is a 300-point move to the upside. You can eventually catch a leg. But that is that. But the main trade I want to talk about was very, very, very clean. I have a screenshot of it. I'll just show you guys this real quick. Can't really zoom in, but it was this. This is a very clean. This is what it looked like without that stuff. I'll take you guys through it now. But it was a very simple, just clean turtle soup model. I'm not 100% confident in turtle soup yet, but I'm trying to build the confidence in turtle soup. But I'll replay price for you guys. So at this time, we'll go back. We'll look at this. So what do we look like on the 5-minute? So as you can see right here, we have a 5-minute fair value gap right here. We'll mark it out, 5-minute. And we also had a, where was it? I thought there was a 15-minute somewhere. Okay, it doesn't really matter. But we have a 5-minute fair value gap here, and as you can see, we came down, we displaced through this low right here, giving me confidence that market wants to go lower. Market structure shift, as you can see. I didn't even realize this was a swing low, but let's mark that out. But we came down, come back up, retouch this fair value gap, sell off again. You could have sold off to probably right here if you wanted to. We come back down, take all this liquidity, then we come back up and sweep these 5-minute highs inside this fair value gap. Now, when you sweep, that's what, there it is right there, the inverse. Sorry. But as you see, we come back up, and is it still recording? Yeah. But we come back up and we sweep these highs right here. So all turtle soup is essentially is sweeping highs or lows inside a higher time frame imbalance. And also, I didn't realize this at first, but why this one is so good, because one, there's a breaker order block here. So it's essentially this is like a unicorn setup, I think, right? Breaker with fair value gap. As you can see, very clean. You can also mark out standard deviation, lines up with that. You got onto the 1-minute. This is probably where you could say I messed up, maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I personally was looking for more confirmation inside this zone. As you see, we literally wick this thing. It's crazy how it works. So as this is happening, I'm on the charts. I'm like, okay, I'm 100% confident we're coming to this level right here. Standard deviation, everything. So I'm like, I want to see displacement though down. Like we're still chopping right here. I don't know if we're gonna go up again, maybe get a sell stop rate, take it again, or what. So we do this, do this, do this. And then right here is where I want to see a pullback. So I'm watching, we get a market structure shift on a lower time frame, break a structure. I wanted to see a pullback into an imbalance, and then I was 100% going to enter. And I will show you what the entry would have looked like. It would have been something like this with the stops here. Because like we have no reason to go up. We already manipulated to the upside. It's around 8:30. We're not near any we're not near open, so I'm not ready for manipulation. ES has also sold off and took the lows right here. And then I'm like, okay, I want to see, I like this. Okay, I'm like, now I want to see a retracement here. I was really just looking for an entry. If I got entered down here, my stops would have been like here. And I'm still targeting this level. As you can see, just no entry, but a very, very clean sell-off right to where we want to go, right to this sell side level is what we had marked. So looking back on this, I guess I'm analyzing this back right now with you guys, but I guess the trade could have been taken off of. So you have a clean market structure shift and manipulation move. So you have another set of like a stop rate right here. So this is its own standard deviation in itself. But I think I could have entered off a breaker. So that'd been what? Move up. But we don't even come back and touch that. I mean, if you measure it wick to wick, I don't usually measure them wick to wick, but you could have done this and then had the stops like this. That's probably the best entry. And then we came straight down. Would have been a 6-1. Or no, would have been a 3-1. But it's kind of cool to see how if you align time with price and have the correct draw and liquidity, how clean price moves straight to the draw. Like for example, say you do enter off this breaker and just look, there's zero drawdown. That's the thing you got to realize. You want trades with zero drawdown. You don't want trades that sit there and chop. Like look at this, straight to TP, straight to TP. It doesn't get much cleaner than that. Now we can go back to, so this is really the only clean trade I saw today. I was watching it. I didn't get the fill I wanted, but it's okay, it happens. Let's see if that ES one played out. Most likely, exactly how we expected. The reason I didn't take this is because for me to take this, I wanted to see move into here and turtle soup these lows. A little soup into this thing, a little touch the fair value gap, then run up. But we didn't get that. I was just tape reading it. I mean, the idea is to always have a higher time frame imbalance when you are trading, because then it makes your probability higher. Also, another thing, I'm thinking about investing in like the 15-second and 30-second charts. There's two reasons for that. One, because I would be able to get better entries. Like in itself, I think, whoops, that's not fun. I think there was an SMT here. Let's see. Where would it have been? Right over here. Yeah, so you do have another SMT, which it could have been another confluence to enter. SMT. SMT. Now, a couple of the people in my Discord did take this trade. One guy said he got a good entry on the 30-second. Another guy had a really good entry. So if you guys want to join my Discord, it will be linked in the description. It's kind of just a good trading community to talk with other people that have ICT concepts. Not even everyone in there is ICT. It's just whatever you are. Kind of like send screenshots of wins and stuff, encourage each other, ask questions if you have any questions about certain confluences or building conviction or things of that nature. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. I mean, Pal's about to speak in an hour, so that's probably going to make market go a little wonky. As you can see, Pal speaking. And then the rest of the week looks pretty good, though, I think. Nothing really crazy the rest of the week, so it will be a good trading week. I mean, this action right here is not too clean. It's kind of chop. If you just look at the 15-minute, it's clean once we finally break out of this thing, but you can't really expect this big-ass move like that. Now, we were in a 4-hour fair value gap, so we could have expected this. But it'll be interesting because overall, I think this is the model. What I would like to see. Is it though? I don't know. I would need to see a few more things to confirm it. After we've taken this SMT here, I think that's another SMT. Yeah, so we just re-swept this level again. But with this buying pressure, if this 4-hour closes above and then tomorrow we get a fair value up here, we can probably expect to go higher and retrace back to these highs and take them and go back to all-time highs. We will see. It'll take some time. But yeah, that is the clean setup of today. I hope you guys have a great day. Join the Discord in the link and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.